Hi, I'm Dan Furcus with Caleffi North America here in our warehouse in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and this is the Caleffi 6000 LEGIOMIX Station. The LEGIOMIX Station is a complete, pre-wired, pre-piped, pre-assembled, ready-to-install electronic mixing valve assembly. It makes commissioning and installation simple and easy and reduces the risk of incorrect piping. Now let's look at it component by component. The brains of the assembly is this full-function user interface controller. It displays mixed and return outlet temperatures, shows time, date, day, status, and any alarms. Has a battery-backed memory with 40 days worth of data. Everything you need for setup and daily use does not require a PC. It also comes with this pre-wired 115 to 24 volt transformer. Commissioning details are all provided in this quick start guide. Here's the LEGIOMIX valve. It's pre-piped with temperature gauge and union connections. The actuator and mixed temperature sensor are all pre-wired. Let's run through the piping. At the top here is where you're going to install your field provided recirculation pump. Just below that and at any one of our main connection points is going to be an isolation ball valve. Here we have a pre-wired strap-on return temperature sensor and a purge point to purge out your recirculation line. You're going to find 4 inline stainless steel serviceable check valves. At the bottom here is going to be where your recirculation line will return back to your tank or cold water line. You're going to have your main cold water source coming into the assembly and your main hot water coming into the assembly. Up at the top is going to be where your mixed outlet water goes out to your system. Below that is a purge point for testing mixed outlet functionality. This is a quick look at the LEGIOMIX Station. Thanks for listening.